guys, good morning. We are starting a new vlog. I am about to head to the airport to go to Miami. I'm only there for literally 24 hours, not even. I get there, I land at 8 p.m. Miami time, and it's currently like 9:30 a.m. LA time. So pretty much my entire day will be spent in the airplane, which I'm not complaining. I'm going there for work. I'm shooting for GGC Bikinis, which is super exciting. So I kind of wanted to do like a little work travel vlog in my life type of situation. By the way, if you guys are new here, my name is Nikki. I make vlogs and lifestyle content and just fun little silly videos like this. So please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to be a part of the fam. But yeah, I'm super excited to be working with this brand. We've been wanting to work together, shoot together for a while. My boyfriend and my dog are currently having a little time. But I woke up this morning, I did a little workout, showered, washed my hair, did a full like little, you know, shower routine to prep for the job. Had my bulletproof coffee, made food for the dog, and got ready, packed. Now we're on our way. We're about to be on our way. And I'm super excited. I think it's gonna be really, really fun, and I'm like gonna try to make a TikTok of this too. So I'm like double fisting my camera equipment today. Hey guys, I just got to my gate. There's literally nowhere to sit, but I got a poke bowl from Lemonade and a decaf vanilla latte. I look like I just got back from the beach. My hair looks insane, but honestly, it's okay that I can't sit because I'm gonna be sitting for 5 hours. Ladies and gentlemen. I just landed in Miami. I'm just waiting for my Uber, but the craziest thing just happened. This woman that just flew in, this elderly woman, she flew in from Ukraine, and well, she came from Poland, and she had a Ukrainian passport, and she was looking around trying to get somebody who could speak Russian, and nobody could speak Russian. And I heard her asking in Russian to this other woman to see if she could help her, and obviously I heard that and was like, this woman is American, should I be able to help her? So she and I ran around trying to figure out where her gate was. She didn't even have the right ticket. She had a connecting flight to Los Angeles. They had sent her like different places, but she doesn't speak English, so it was just like really crazy and super heartbreaking. That I'm really glad that I was around and was able to, like, as a Russian speaker, was able to help her out, because otherwise I don't know how that woman would have. I mean, it's Miami, you'd think there'd be people who speak Russian around, but there was no one. So just thank goodness that I think that she made it to her. I helped her to her gate, and I think she made it on her flight, and she's gonna be okay. But it's 8:30 and I just landed, and I'm super tired. I'm excited to just get checked into the hotel room and get some rest, like shower and just chill, and have an early morning tomorrow because my shoot's at 6. So I'm just gonna, I look rough, honestly, I look pretty rough, but what are you gonna do? Hey guys, good morning. It is 5:34. I woke up at like 5:15-ish. I have a 6 a.m. call time, but luckily it's in this hotel. Like, the makeup artists are staying here, so we have to be downstairs. Let me check. My agent sent it to me yesterday. He said room 128 at our hotel. So I'm drinking some water, and I just made like a little espresso. Oh, that is bomb. That coffee machine was so good. Guys, I'm really thinking about getting an espresso machine. So if you have an option, or not an option, if you have a recommendation, bro, it's early, please let me know. Also, I'm gonna take my morning supplements so I don't forget, and chill in bed for a little bit and then just walk downstairs. So it's kind of nice that I like woke up with some time. I really don't like rushing, so I'm obviously just gonna like take a little bit of time, drink my espresso, take my supplements, wash my face, brush my teeth, and then head downstairs. I slept okay. Let's check my Fitbit. Let's see. So 6 hours, 48 minutes, but I got a 78 sleep score, so that's not bad. I usually score between like 80 and 90, so it's not my best work, you know what I mean? But it's not my worst, considering I flew in at 8 p.m. Like, when was I supposed to sleep, you know? I was asleep by like 10-ish. When my friend called me in the middle of the night, and it freaking woke me up. But, well, it says actually that I fell asleep at 9:40, but I know I didn't fall asleep at 9:40. I know I fell asleep at probably like 10:30, but yeah, that's that. That's that on that, you guys. I think I'm gonna wear my comfy clothes to get my makeup done right now, and then we have to check out of this hotel afterwards, so I'm just gonna like change and get my stuff, I think. Yeah. I'm in the elevator, going down to the makeup artist room. You guys, just got my hair and makeup done, and now the other model is getting her hair and makeup done. So I think I'm just gonna go change into my other outfit, pack up my stuff, and like come chill outside and call my mom, because I have like another 40 minutes until we need to leave to go to the hotel, the other one. We're shooting our first stop at the W because that's where some of the other people are staying. Got my Starbucks. Feeling good. Just changed my outfit to this like little oversized like top, a little tank, and denim shorts, because I feel like for afterwards, when I put my hair down and I go out to like a little lunch, I feel like this will be a cute little Miami vibe. So I actually have a cute little balcony. Just wrapped my shoe, showered, got back in my clothes, and I have like an hour before I need to leave for the airport. So I'm just gonna go for a nice little walk right here on the beach and get some sun, get some steps, and I'm gonna go to the airport. But honestly, it was such a good day. I love it here. It's so beautiful. The team was wonderful. I just had such a great day. Short trip, but it was super fun. Hey guys, I just got to the Setai. I am gonna be just chilling here for a little bit because my flight got delayed. So I'm gonna have myself a little solo, well actually I'm on the phone with my mom. We're on FaceTime together. So I'm having a little lunch date with my mom, even though I already ate lunch. So it's like early dinner, I guess. But I'm gonna get myself a little cocktail and something to eat and chill here before I have to go. You guys, look, they brought my food to go in this bag. This is so serious. This is so fancy. Talking to my mom on FaceTime, you honestly can't even see it. This thing was delicious.